car because my old car broke. I'm going to get a car. Gonna get your new car. Hi, sir.
Hello.
You looking for some new cars? Yes. Okay then. I have this cool Mercedes. And this is another Mercedes. But
Oh, wow.
blue, but this one is black. I want that black Mercedes. Okay, give me the money. Thank you. Bye-bye. Why is cars going slow? Why is cars going slow? The headlight came off. Stop! You saw me a broken car. Now what I would do? I'll give you a towel. Hey, dude, you need a towel? Yeah, so why you giving me a broken car? The light fell off. Clear! I need $50, sir. What? You showed me a broken car and a new car. See? That headlight is broken. I'm sorry. I'm the new car. Okay. Okay, you can have this hoverboard. Wait, I have to sell your helmet. What? How much? $500. Have your money. Give me $5. There's no rules. So, I want a different one. This hammer won't make this. Doesn't make this no road. What do you have that? That's a little small. I want to choose this one. Okay. Sold. That sounds good. Now this is this road. Turn the radio.
I was lost.
I don't like that song. This thing has good music. Why? I'm gonna just bet.
1,000 pounds upon my soul.
So, this has good music. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you it only has girl music, not boy. This is my last chance to get another car. Okay, after you turn that car off, give me $50. Help me! I'll take that. This all of the car's broken. I want your monster truck. No, not my monster truck. Yes, give it. Fine, I'll go get it. So long, some people. So long till it breaks. Bye. Hit the white button and bell. Bye. Hey everybody, I'm Braxton, the policeman. This is Sawyer, our police chief. We're gonna go catch some bad guys, right? Let's go. Sawyer, we need to write some tickets, right? Let's look for some speeders. I'm gonna steal some money. Sawyer, I can't find any bad guys. How about you take a look? He found a motorcycle. Yeah, but really? Some. Right there. Let's go get him. Yeah. having fun. Sir, I know you were having fun, but you were spinning too. You have to go to jail. What? I won't go to jail. I'm just playing. Sawyer, book him. I hope I can be a policeman by myself. My assistant had to go take a nap. You know what? I'm kind of tired too. I'm gonna take a nap.
680 to 90, 10-4.
What was that?
9K. Came a female down front of the...
Come in again. What did you say?
Breaker 19, we got a code 32 at Mommy's bedroom.
Oh no! I'll go get her. She did it! Mommy!
Yes?
Why did you make your bed?
Well, I thought I'd get back in it later, so I didn't think I needed to.
You should make your bed every day.
Yes, sir.
Look, this is not right. No more chances. You're going to jail.
Well, he's having a bad day.
No, get in jail. Now I'm gonna lock this and you stay for an hour.
Being in jail made me super hungry. I'm gonna get a snack. I'll pick it up later. So hungry.
This is my police dog. He helps me fight crime. What, you smell anything?
Yes!
What's on the trail? What is it gonna lead to? What is this mess? Who did this? Bullet, milk Cheerios? Someone must be eating cereal. It was you!
What?
You made that mess, didn't you?
I guess so.
That's it. You're going to jail again.
Thank you.
Now, ma'am, you know the drill. Go back to jail. I really like this cool T-Rex that I got. And I like brakes.
680 to 90, 10-4.
What was that?
10K.
Oh, man. Another bad guy.
Camera.
Who made all this? Did you make this mess? No. Yes, you did. This is too big of a mess to clean up. That's it. You're going to jail. Sawyer, you're supposed to be taking a nap. I'm having a nap. Go in jail. Oh no! I'm gonna sit right here till it's over.
Ryder.
Let's sneak out.
Yes, look. The door's broke. And look, he's asleep.